Hi everyone, this is Sheila Sipin Matre, and today we are going to do a very interesting pick a card reading. And the pick a card reading topic is what new beginnings you can expect to come in your life. Alright, so this is pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video can help someone, so please do share this video with that person. Please remember, these are general card readings and are meant for entertainment purpose only. Alright, so breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And now ask your guardian angels, dear God, Goddess, my guardian angels, what new beginnings can I expect in my life? And then see which pile you're drawn to. Okay? Hi pile 1. So today we are going to do your pick a card reading. We are also going to find out what angel numbers are telling you, what message you can expect from the crystals. Okay? So we will begin. First and foremost, pile 1, you are quite intuitive. You have a very good nurturing power. You also are creative. People come to you and they feel so good when they talk to you. So definitely you have a special connect with children, and you are quite pure hearted. Now let's keep your queen over here. Okay, and let's see what cards you have got. Queen of Swords. So the new beginning that is going to come in your life is that you are going to stand up for yourself. You're going to remove all those toxic people that are no longer serving you. You're going to be practical. You're going to be very clear about whom you should, whom you should allow in your life and whom you should not. So you're going to be very practical, and also I feel there is going to be a lot of wisdom coming your way. This wisdom is going to really help you to understand that what is good for you, what is not good for you. Also, this wisdom is going to help you. It's going to clear your third eye chakra, and it's going to empower your third eye. So you will get a lot of visions that are going to help you in terms of how you should go ahead with respect to your life and different parts of your life. The next new beginning that you have got is the Justice card. So here I feel the new beginning that is going to come in your life is in the form of contracts or some sort of agreement, or some sort of legal agreement, legal contract is what I'm getting. Also, I feel that the new beginning coming in your life is that all the good karmas that you have sown, you're going to reap the rewards for it. Also, I feel that life is going to be more fair to you, and it is going to compensate for whatever things were not right. I feel the new beginning coming in your life is balance, because you have been really having a very hectic time and you've been so tired. So definitely expect a lot of paperwork coming your way. There'll be something new which would require a lot of paperwork to be done because of the formality of it, and that's what I'm getting. Okay, the next new beginning that is going to happen in your life is 8 of Cups, which means you're going to move away from all that things which is not serving you. You're going to move towards better times, as in you're going to spiritually move towards better times. Your divine connect is going to be stronger. You will understand that if things are not serving you, you will not waste your time on analyzing why it's not working out. You're like, fine, if it is not working out, if plan A is not working out, I'll move on to plan B. All right, the next new beginning coming in your life is the Queen of Pentacles. What a lovely card to get. You have got 2 queens, okay, which means that there will be some lady of wisdom who is going to help you in your life. All right, the Queen of Pentacles here is telling a lot of money coming your way. There will be a lot of abundance going to come your way very, very clearly. So this new beginnings will be in terms of money, it will be in terms of spirituality, moving away from plans which are not working, and also legal contracts is what I'm getting, plus increase in terms of intuition. So these are the new beginnings that you guys can expect. I also feel that you guys are going to make some changes in yourself, in the way you are, your presentation is, in the form of social media, how what kind of image you have generated in among people. You're going to kind of, upgrade it, is what I'm getting very clearly. So I do see movement happening in group 1's life. Now let's see your oracle cards, what they are saying. So the first oracle card that you have got is, I am the good shepherd. The good shepherd gives his life for the sheep, which means you guys are going to really ensure that you are going to give 100% to this new opportunities that are going to come your way. Clearly this looks like a new opportunity, guys. Okay, so this new change that is going to come in your life, all right, I feel from some of you will move from corporate to a business idea, or some of you will start some business as well. So this new venture of yours, you're going to give 100% to it, is what I'm getting. The next card you have got is, with God all things are possible. So somewhere in your mind you're wondering that this new venture that is going to come in your life, you will kind of wonder that how is it going to happen, how you are going to make it happen. Also I feel that somewhere you have been contemplating something, but due to maybe lack of funds, or due to maybe certain issues, you are kind of holding it back. But remember, this card is telling you that everything is possible with the divine help. Plus you have help of 2 ladies, okay, who are going to come your way and help you out. The next card that you have got, new beginnings coming in your life, is finances. Wow. So I told you earlier it said that with the Queen of Pentacles, expect your finances to get better, and this oracle card is confirming the same. I also feel that there is going to be a lot of changes. Lately you guys have been struggling a bit. From this struggle, you are going to come to a very brighter time, is what I'm getting from this card. The next new beginning in your life that's going to happen is self-employment. So if you have been contemplating whether you should start your business or not, so this is telling you that yes, you can side by side start exploring a business idea, all right, because the money and the knowledge both will come your way to make this idea into a reality, all right. And this 8 of Cups is also showing movement towards something which is towards abundance, okay, is what I'm getting, because there's a moon out here. The next oracle card that you have got is life energy, okay. So you're going to feel very enthusiastic about this new idea. I also feel that you're going to shine really bright, okay. The new beginning is going to get you a lot of recognition. You're going to you're going to shine, okay. You're going to feel very good because you're going to be your own boss. You're going to feel, wow, this is so awesome. I'm going to be since you will be giving your 100%, and you will feel, what, this is what I always wanted to do, and I'm doing it, and I'm so happy doing it. The next card that you have got is moderation. So this card is telling me that if you have a job, then don't leave this job and just get into a self-employment mode. It is telling that right now, since your self-employment work, okay, will slowly start giving you money, but therefore, if you're working in a corporate, along with corporate, you're meant to do this business. If you're already in business, the angels are telling you that ensure that you are balancing everything out, all right. You're seeing everything, you're just not rushing into anything, all right. So overall, such a lovely, guys, lovely cards you have got. There is hard work, there is self-employment, betterment in finances, and definitely a movement as well towards better opportunities, all right. and a lot of contracts. See, in the beginning only I told you there will be a lot of contracts coming your way, and the justice and the self employment card is clearly telling that to us. All right, so a lot of movement, new beginnings in terms of finances, career is what pile 1 is going to happen for you. I also feel that you guys are just going to move ahead. Okay, when I see this cards, she's looking behind, she's looking straight, and then this is a card of movement. This, he is kind of moving towards something which is right now not clear, and then this particular card is showing that after the movement there is achievement. Okay, there she has got the money that she was looking at, and she has got that happiness, that recognition, that luxury that she's looking at. So definitely there is going to be a forward movement coming in your life, new beginning in terms of growth, new beginning in terms of money. All right, I also feel that some of you have some green crystals, okay, which you need to start using more, is what I'm clearly getting. I also feel that you guys, all right, some of you have been working on a diet, okay, you're trying to eat healthy. However, what is happening is one day you eat healthy, the other day you again go back to eating unhealthy. So you need to have a balance, all right, is what also I'm getting. You guys are hardworking pile, so there is no doubt that things are going to work out for you for the better. Now let's see what angel numbers are telling. Oh my god, so many numbers. Okay, let's see. 85, 77, 4, 73, 24 and 83. So definitely I feel with the number 85, some of you will receive the money that was stuck for a very, very long time. With the number 77, you will move, you are already on the right path. But I also feel a lot of spiritual growth coming your way, new beginning in terms of spirituality, and even the 8 of Cups is confirming that. The number 4 is telling that a lot of angels are with you and they are really taking care of you. The number 73 is telling me that yes, there is a divine support which is helping you to move on, even though right now this transformation is going to looks very difficult or looks very challenging, but yes, you will be supported. The number 24 is telling me that Venus is with you and you will get the luxury that you're looking at. Number 83 is telling me that yes, there will be improvement in finances, and I also feel that some of you have been praying to Goddess Lakshmi, or you have been connected to Goddess Fortuna. Okay, so definitely a lot of good fortune is going to come your way is what I am clearly getting. Now let's see what the crystal message for you are. Lovely. So you got the angelite crystal, which definitely talks about the angel connection. So you are going to be, the connection that you have with the angels is going to improve a lot. The angels, especially Archangel Ariel, I feel is going to give you a lot of abundance. The next crystal that you have got is the bloodstone crystal, and the next crystal, this crystal is moss agate. Again, this moss agate is a crystal of prosperity, so a lot of prosperity coming your way. Then this particular crystal is green aventurine, which clearly says lot of abundance coming your way, opportunities coming your way. So guys, okay, if you are looking for a job offer, some of you are going to get a job offer as well. All right, is what I'm clearly getting. However, this job offer would require some sort of sacrifice. Okay, I am also getting that you already have feathers in your hat. Okay, so you are an achiever. All right, so whatever this career move that is shown, it looks difficult, but it's going to be rewarding. All right, that's what I'm getting. So group 1, this was your message. I hope you enjoyed this message. A lot of good luck your way. Take care. Hello group 2. So let's see what new beginnings are going to come your way. So definitely the money that is going to come your way is going to be awesome. All right, I'm also getting that you are going to appreciate yourself for all the hard work that you have done. The Queen of Pentacles is also telling me that the new beginning is going to bring you a lot of wisdom. All right, lot of wisdom. Your ideas are going to really generate money for you, is what I'm clearly getting. Also, I feel that you have been not really appreciating yourself, or other people have not been appreciating you. However, the new beginning that is going to come in your life is recognition, appreciation for all the hard work that you have been doing. Let's keep your queen over here, and now let's see what cards are telling. Okay, so the first new beginning coming your way is the Ten of Wands. So you have been kind of wondering that the work that you are getting is not really kind of doing justice to your skills, or the work that you are getting has kind of reduced the way the way you used to have work, or the way you used to have clients. That numbers have kind of gone down, and that's kind of making you feel really not that great. So with the Ten of Wands as a new beginning, lot of work is going to come your way, which is going to keep you really busy. So that's good, because busy is good. All right, I also feel with this card is that you are going to balance things. Even though you would have a lot of work, you will be able to balance things out. And I feel that there will be a lot of intuition also coming your way with the moon that I can see in the card. A lot of intuition is going, your inner voice is going to help you in how you can manage these additional responsibilities. So yes, the new beginning coming in your life is additional responsibilities. However, this additional responsibilities or increase in responsibilities is a good beginning. All right, the next card that you have got is Seven of Cups, which means, okay, if I connect it with the previous card over here, as you can see, this person is burdened, and then there is this options in front of him. So in terms of new beginning, there will be a lot of choices that will be given to you, and all the choices are going to be very lucrative. If you see the card, okay, he has all these cups, okay, all these cups are full. All right, and they are in fact these cups are overfull. So so what I feel is that you are going to have really good choices, okay, to choose from. The next new beginning that is going to happen in your life is the Three of Cups, which is celebrations, which is community. So you are going whatever, if you are in a business, expect your clientele to expand. If you are in a corporate career, expect your contacts to increase, or there would be some opportunity coming from via a friend. All right, but a lot of celebration happening in your life. I feel that some of you will start doing some sort of physical activity in your house, like learning online Kathak, online Zumba, or doing some sort of activity which involves movement of body. All right, I feel that some of you who have been worried especially about your hair, your hair issues are going to get resolved. Okay, and there is going to be increase in the number of friends you have, or you're going to get in touch with some old friends, is what I'm also getting. The next card that you have got in terms of new beginning is the Empress card. So Empress represents, okay, abundance. I also feel that some of you, all right, may get engaged or married as well. I also feel that some of you who are trying to have a baby may even get pregnant. All right, so some of you, all right. I also feel that there is going to be luxury. Now look at how the cards are. Here it was showing burden, and here it is showing a position, a powerful position. So if you see that, if you look at the transition that is happening, so yes, there would be a lot of work that will come your way, which will kind of make you wonder that where life is going, but you will continue to do all the hard work, and over here you will get the fruits of that hard work, and over here you will enjoy the power position that your hard work is going to reward you with. So new beginnings is going to be in terms of social contacts, in terms of opportunities, choices that the divine is going to give you. New beginnings will be in terms of additional responsibilities. New beginnings will be in terms of luxury. Also, in some cases, it would be new beginnings in terms of personal life. All right, I also feel that you guys are very creative, so expect a lot of creative ideas flowing into your direction. The oracle cards that you have drawn, okay, be of good comfort, your faith has made you whole. Okay, so interestingly, Empress also talks about comfort. So all this all the hard work that you have been doing, okay, you will get the reward in terms of comfort. All right, the next card that you have got is, come unto me all you that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. See, both these cards are talking about rest and comfort, and over here this card is also talking about rest and comfort. So one of the new beginnings coming in your life is rest, rejuvenation, and also I feel that there would be a wise person who will come to your help, who will guide you. All right, now let's see what the other oracle cards are saying. So new beginning in terms of body changes. I already told you that some of you are going to take some sort of physical activity like Zumba or some, which you can do it from your home as well. And this is going to bring about positive body changes in your body. And then you have got relationship dynamics. So this relationship dynamics is telling that whatever relationship you have with yourself and with others are going to improve. And see, over here also what these two cards talk about relationship as well. Here they are dancing, they're happy. Over here, okay, Empress does mean does mean marriage. All right, so yes, some of you are going to have good relationship improvement. If you're already committed, expect good news to come your way. And also I feel that this is telling that there would be some sort of new addition coming in your life. Now let's see what the next card you have got. Okay, let me shift this up. Okay, you have got protection. So during all these changes that are going to happen in your life, this new beginnings, okay, there will be, the divine is going to give you a lot of protection. Okay, so you will not feel that oh my god, this beautiful new beginnings are happening in my life, so there may be some evil eye that may affect this new beginning. So do not worry, you have the protection that will bless you in this new changes. Then you have got the new beginnings. Wow, how awesome can it get? The question is that what new beginnings are going to come in your life, and you get the card of new beginnings itself. Now if you look at this card, okay, there is a baby in this card. So definitely some of you who are trying for a child, you can expect a new news about a pregnancy in your family or in your extended family. Also there can be there is a possibility of singles finding someone, some of them. All right, and yeah, okay, and a lot of new ideas are going to come your way, which will lead to the Empress situation, which will lead to a lot of abundance. So overall, what I am getting is, I feel that the new beginning is going to be in terms of support. Okay, there will be a lot of support available for group 2, whether in personal life or professional. Support is going to be something really a major thing playing in your life. Right now I feel that some of you are quite burdened as well, so that burden is going to ease out. All right, I feel that you're going to connect with someone, okay, connect with a group of people maybe, or with a friend who is going to uplift you is also what I'm getting. I feel that some of you are into spirituality. All right, clearly, some of you are into spirituality, and you may get a client who will be a very successful client, a high profile client. Even if you are not into spirituality, I see that a high profile client coming your way if you're into a business, and this high profile client will give you more business. Okay, also I feel that the ones who are in corporate career, use your contacts, guys, because your contacts are going to lead you to more, whether you're looking out for a job or whether you're looking out for some sort of project. So use your contacts, that's going to help you. Now let's see what your angel numbers are saying. Okay, only two numbers. Let's see. 85 and 44. Wow, 44 is an angel number. It means there are a lot of angels supporting you. That is why you got the card, you got a protection card, because you're protected, you're safe. All right, and the number 85 represents money coming your way, sudden changes, abundance coming your way unexpectedly. So kind of a windfall. So even if it is a small windfall, appreciate it. You've got the Empress card also, which also talks about new beginnings in terms of finances. All right, so expect new beginnings in terms of your finances, in your social contacts, in terms of your choices, in terms of added responsibilities, and also some of you can expect your relationship status to get converted from single to committed, and some of you who are trying for a child, expect that to happen. And the ones who are already into committed relationship, expect your relationship to improve. All right, now let's see what crystal messages are coming for you. All right, so you got the sunstone crystal. Sunstone crystal talks about success, it talks about growth, it talks about progress, it talks about prosperity, it talks about power. So definitely there is a change in a position. You're going to be more powerful. This is a labradorite crystal. So labradorite crystal shields one's aura. So again, this crystal is also talking about protection. And labradorite crystal also talks about increase in intuition. Okay, so that's also going to help you like anything. So group 2, you have got such fantastic cards. Okay, whether it is the Empress, whether it is the 3 of Cups, I mean, these are such beautiful cards. So much you are going to celebrate for sure. Okay, I also feel that some of you are you may make some sort of video with your friends. All right, is what also I'm getting. You're going to get decked up. All right, you're going to get decked up. You are going to become gorgeous. All right, and maybe you will kind of you are going to get decked up and attend some sort of event, maybe online or in person. Okay, so that's quite a possibility. So group 2, expect your transition from being burdened to being the queen, the Empress. All right, and yes, one more thing, some of you are worried about your mother. All right, so expect positive changes to happen with your relationship with your mother. And the ones whose mother is in heaven, your mother is sending you a lot of love, and she is so proud of you. You have been missing her, especially in one of the major transition of your life. So she's telling you that she was there. All right, and she is so proud of your achievement. Okay, group 2, so this was your message. I hope you enjoyed it. Hello, group 3. So all those of you who chose this beautiful Queen of Wand. Now, you are one of those people who are very confident. You're very clear that people who are good to you, you are really really very nice to them, and people who are mean to you, you show them where they belong. All right, so you're very clear that you don't take any sort of toxic energy from anyone. You ensure that people know what and how they should treat you. You're very clear on that. You're very confident, you're creative, you have a special connect with children and animals too. All right, you are quite fiery in terms of your temper, but it is not like a mad temper. You get angry when people really really bother you. You don't get angry unnecessarily. All right, and yes, you love to you just love to spend on your in terms of your wardrobe, good things around your home. This is what I'm getting. Let me keep your beautiful queen over here. Now let's see what new beginnings are going to come in your life. So the first new beginning that is going to come in your life is the King of Swords. So definitely a lot of practicality coming in your life. I also feel that there will be some sort of what I can hear the angels saying is that there would be some sort of message coming your way. All right, I feel that the management, if you're in a corporate career, the management is going to give you some very important project. And if you are into business, I feel that there will be a very important work that is going to come your way, and it will require a lot of sharpness, lot of intellect, lot of maturity. All right, I also feel that there will be a man who is intelligent, who is going to help you in order to handle this new assignment. Okay, now let's see what the other new beginning is. Lovely, group 2 also got 3 of cups, and even you have got 3 of cups. So definitely I feel that this new project that you are going to get, all right, is going to lead to celebration. You're going to achieve it with your intellect, and that's going to really give you that opportunity to celebrate. I also feel that there will be some sort of celebration happening. I also feel that there is some sort of dish. Okay, this is what I can hear the angels say. There is some sort of food that you have been wanting to eat and you're not been able to eat. So that food or that bottle of wine, okay, you will be able to get it, is what I'm getting. Okay, I also feel that group 3, you will just start. So, you have been not giving time to some hobby of yours, which you will give with this particular card that I'm getting. Some of you will invest in new shoes, is what I can hear the angels say. New shoes or new clothes. All right, so a lot of online shopping is going to happen with group 3. Now let's see the next card. You have got the card of strength. Now this new beginning is telling me that you are going to tame the inner wild person. Okay, so that is one thing. I also feel that some of you are into animal communication, so you can expect increase in clientele. I also feel that there will be a lot of learning and teaching and training happening with group 3. You guys are trainers. All right, I also feel that in terms of group 3, you will be giving a lot of love to people around you. The new beginning that I can also see with group 3 is in terms of using your ideas to create something very solid. All right, and I feel that you guys are going to rock. All right, very clearly there will be a lot of purity that's going to come in your life. So spirituality also I am seeing. There will be spiritual growth happening in your life. I feel that you are going to give up on some addiction. That's what I'm getting. Some of you will be giving on some sort of addiction. That will be a new beginning for you. The next card that you have got is Justice. So I feel that you are going to remove people from your life who are no longer serving you. I feel that, you know, there will be a lot of you're going to receive a lot of good karma results. Okay, you have been a good person, and the lots of karma are going to bless you. I also see some new contracts being signed. Some of you who have some sort of work happening with the government, all right, expect it to move on at a faster level. And I feel the new beginnings will be also in terms of paperwork. Interestingly, group 1 had got Justice and group 2 had got the 3 of Cups, and you got both of them. Expect a lot of teaching, learning, education happening in your life. I also feel that some of you have not been happy with your body, so you're going to cut down certain foods from your life for some time, is what I'm getting, in order to make those body changes. I feel both, you're going to take care of both the diet and the health, is what I'm getting. I also feel you're going to, the new beginning in terms of your life is abundance. Okay, emotional maturity is what I'm getting, and the Strength and the King of Swords is telling me that you are going to really some sort of power is going to come your way in terms of new beginning. Interestingly, if you see the sequence of the card, all right, this person is alone. Okay, then he's celebrating, then there is control in terms of, there's love, there's nurturing over here, and over here again the person is going back to the work area. All right, so I feel the new beginning is going to be both in your personal and professional life. Clearly, I'm getting that very, very clearly. So it's, see, like group 1 had career changes in new beginnings in career. Group 2 had new beginnings in relationship. Group 3, you guys have both new beginnings in terms of your personal life as well as professional. Okay, now let's see what your cards are, oracle cards are saying. You have got, all things whatsoever you shall ask in prayer, believing you shall receive. So your prayers are going to be answered. I already told you with the Justice card that all the good karma that you have sowed, you're going to reap the rewards of it clearly. And this card is also saying the same thing. However, the angels are asking you to believe. Just don't pray. And because when you pray and you don't believe, you are not using the law of expectation. Okay, so you need to expect. So expect miracles in your life. The next card that you have got is your Heavenly Father. Know that you have need of all these things. So don't, don't worry that, don't feel that whatever you're asking for, am I asking too much? All right. So don't feel that way. There is, because God believes, okay, God believes that whatever you need will be provided. He or God and Goddess and the archangels will be providing it to you. I also feel that some of you are going to spiritually ascend. All right, there will be shift in terms of position. All right, I also feel that there will be, if you have had relationship with your father, or if your father is no more on earth, and you have been missing him, he is sending love to you and he is there with you. And in this new beginnings that is going to happen in your life, your father is if your father is not in the earth realm, he is blessing you. And if your father is on the earth realm, then you need to heal your issues with your father. And I see some sort of father-daughter bonding happening. The next card that you have got is abundance. Lovely. So I told you when I saw this card, there is going to be abundance coming your way. So the new beginnings will be in terms of your finances for sure. And then you have got the card of celebration. See, 3 of Cups talks about celebration, and so does this card. So definitely there is going to be a good news coming your way. As I said, Group 3, expect your personal life and professional life both to have new amazing beginnings. Okay, there is definitely going to be a new beginning which is going to make you dance and be happy. The next card that you have got is hobbies. So I feel some of you are going to pursue your hobbies professionally. All right. I also feel that you are going to learn something new. Which you always wanted to learn, but you did not have time to learn, or the funds to learn it. So you're going to learn something new, and then you're going to benefit out of it. I've got a card of sobriety, and see, both of them have the similar colors, yellow, purple. So I feel, with the strength card as well, as I said, that you are going to overcome some addictions. You are going to cut down things from your life which are no longer serving you. So definitely, a lot of positive changes happening in that end. So new beginnings that is going to happen in your life is definitely personal and professional both. Okay. Lovely. See, abundance, celebration, support. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So lovely, guys. You've got such beautiful cards. Now let's see what the angel numbers are telling. Okay. You have got the number 61. You have got the number 63. You got the number 53 and 37. So 333, which means you have the divine support. The number 61 is telling that yes, there will be new beginnings in terms of your material life. And 63 is saying that all your material needs will be provided for, and there will be support from the angelic realm. There will be positive changes coming into your life, and yes, you are on the right path. So no need to worry whether you are on the right path or not. Now let's see what crystal message. Okay. Oh, the rose quartz just fell. Okay, let me see. See, guys, how it is. I told you there is going to be new beginning in your personal life. So the rose quartz is telling that yes, there will be improvement in terms of your love life, self-love. You're going to love yourself more, and there are a lot of positive changes. Your heart chakra is going to get healed. You then got the crystal malachite, which is a crystal of for business people. It's a crystal of abundance, and also Archangel Raphael. So a lot of healing that will happen and come your way. The next crystal is a bloodstone crystal, which talks about courage, okay, and which also resonates with the strength card. So whatever this changes are, the new work that is going to come your way, you will have the courage to handle it. And also bloodstone is the crystal of prosperity. So a lot of prosperity, abundance coming your way. With this too, it's very clear, and definitely there will be changes in your personal life as well. So lovely group 3, this was your message. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to the channel. Also write in the comment section what resonated with you, and when this new beginnings do come in your life, do come back to the channel and write in the comment section how the new beginnings did happen in your life. All right, everyone. So thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Take care.